friends, I am Rishabh and welcome to my channel. Today we will learn how we can service the air conditioner at home. So it's very easy. So today we will learn about the split AC. So there are basically two major unit in the split AC. First one is the indoor unit and second one is the outdoor unit. So let's start. Alright, so it's my air conditioner indoor unit. So as a first step I will turn off the main switch, then I will open the front panel. So two locks are there at both the ends, so you need to open it. Alright, now I am opening it. Here you can see the filter which is full of dust and we need to clean it now. So I will open it now. I am taking it out very carefully. Alright, so first filter is out now, and now it's turn off second filter. Okay, okay, it came out. Here you can see the exchange unit, which doesn't looks like very dirty, and these filters are so dirty. I will I will I'm able to see that there are two filters. So first one is the main filter, and second, which just I am deassembling now, it is a bacteria filter. So I'll take it out from both the filters. Slowly, it should not be damaged. Alright, so I have opened it now. So now it's time to wash the main filter. You can wash it with the help of water. So it is getting washed. Alright, so now it's very clean, you can see that, and I will I will just clean the bacteria filter. I am not going to wash it with the help of water. I will not apply it. I will just rub it. So the dust will get removed from it. Okay, so again I have assembled the filters, bacteria filters, into the main filters, and here I'm going to clean this AC. So these are the cooling fans which I will clean with the help of water. Okay, so I have cleaned the entire indoor unit. Now it's time for the assembly. So very carefully I am again inserting the air filter into its slot. Alright, before cleaning of my AC, it was not cooling my entire room properly. I have started turbo. I have set my air conditioner on 16 degrees centigrade temperature, but it was not cooling it. So it was highly needed to clean the air filters of my AC. This is what doing I am now. Alright, so I am ensuring whether it is getting it is exactly fit or not. It is completely fit now. Now I will close the front panel. Alright, here it is the main switch. I have turned it on and it is turning on. Here we go. Okay, so it seems that the temperature is getting increased, and the airflow is also got increased. Earlier it was choked. Alright, so this is the outdoor unit. If you want to open it, you need to open some screws like that. Here I am showing, and but I don't recommend to open it. I would recommend you to clean it externally with the help of water. So now I am going to apply some water on this with the help of a mug. So here you can see that the dirty water which contains dust particles, it is getting drained. Do not wash it forcefully with the water jet. It will, so in such case the water will go inside the motor. So you just need to wash it with the help of a mug with a very low pressure of water. Don't apply water jet, any kind of water jet. Here you can see that I'm applying water on it, and the dirty water is draining. Here we go. So you can see the dirty water and the dust particles, and these fins are completely clean now. I hope this video is very useful for you. If you like it, please subscribe my channel and hit on bell icon so that you can get the new videos from me instantly. And I promise that these videos will be very helpful, which I am going to upload. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day.